Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella Rago and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. Today I'm in the kitchen with my very own Nonna Romana. Say hello everybody.
Hello everybody, I'm Nonna Romana.
I tell everybody what we're going to cook today.
I want to cook today rigatoni and meat sauce. They call alla Papino because my son they love this plate, you know. He give this name, alla Papino.
Who's your son-in-law?
He's your father.
My Papino. So this dish is in honor of my Papino Vito. It's my Nonna Romana's traditional meat sauce that she makes with pasta. It's particularly good with rigatoni. And this is my dad's favorite meal that she makes. He asked her to make it all the time, especially on Sundays. So this is going to be a really delicious, quick Sunday meat sauce that I think everybody is going to love. And if you don't believe that you can make a good meat sauce in under like 4 or 5 hours, we're here to show you that you can, right? This should not cook too long.
No, they don't take too much time for make this plate. Very good.
Because why, Nonna? Nobody wants to wait for it.
Sure. Especially when you are hungry, you don't want to wait a lot of time.
Okay, so let's just go over the ingredients really, really quick. There's very few of them. Of course, we have some mixed ground meat here. We have a mix of veal, pork, and beef. That's the mix we like to use, but you can change it up if you want to. You can use all beef, all veal, all pork, whatever you like. Just go with it. We like the mix. I think it adds some complexity and flavor. Then we have our dry rigatoni. We have garlic, some bay leaves, some sage, some red pepper flakes, some salt, of course, some vino rosso, and a dry red wine. Don't use anything sweet, of course, and some tomato paste. Oh, and of course we have some extra virgin olive oil. Otherwise, we can't cook. Sure.
Yeah.
So what's the first thing we want to do, Nonna?
I want to do, I got to put oil, I want to make a sauce.
Okay. Yeah. So come over here. You put the oil. I got to turn on the pan for you. Again, for the full recipe and a complete list of ingredients, just head over to cookingwithnonna.com. We'll have that link below in the box for you.
I think that's enough.
That's enough. Okay. Garlics?
Yeah.
You wanted the garlics. Okay. Here's the spoon.
Thank you.
And now we got to cook the garlic, right?
Yeah. When the garlic come a little gold, you can put meat.
I love the smell of garlic.
Oh, yeah.
You like the smell of garlic, Nonna?
Oh, yeah, I love garlic.
It's my favorite smell in the world. Garlic that cooks.
If your father, they like. He like a lot of garlic. Oh, my God.
I wish they make a profumo that smells like garlic.
Oh, yeah, sure.
If they make it, would you wear?
Wow, you said?
If they make a profumo that smells like garlic, you would wear?
I don't care.
Yeah. I thought you only like Chanel perfume.
Yeah.
That's
I use anytime Coco Chanel. Yeah, I love the perfume.
Coco Chanel or garlic? It's a tough choice, right?
Yeah.
When a Coco Chanel make a garlic profumo, I gotta buy it for you.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're ready to put our meat in our pan with our beautiful golden garlic.
Okay.
Nice. I hold it for you, don't worry. And you just want to go and break this up with a wooden spoon. Don't worry if anything sticks to the bottom of the pan, because once we add our wine in, those beautiful brown bits that stick are all going to come back up, because we want that in our sauce. Ooh, that looks so good. So now we're just worrying about browning the meat. Don't worry about it cooking all the way through, because that's going to happen when we add our tomatoes.
Where the meat come brown, I gotta put salve e alloro.
Sage and bay leaves go in next.
They give a nice taste. Ok, pure l'alloro già sai.
So why you put alloro? Why you put the bay leaves inside?
They give a nice taste, very good. Dicono che when you put alloro, you non have mal di stomaco, you know?
Ah,
They
okay.
protect the mal di stomaco.
If you add
Yeah.
bay leaves, you won't get a stomach ache, she says.
Yeah.
And I'm going to put our red pepper flakes, our peperoncino, because my dad loves peperoncino.
Yeah, I know.
He has to have red pepper flakes in everything.
Just a little bit, not too much.
I know, but we got to put it so he's happy.
Because I can eat a lot of peperoncino.
And, of course, we need a little bit of salt.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you just want to let the sage and the bay leaves cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then we're going to add the vino.
Yeah.
You really
It
smell
smells
the
good,
sage
huh?
in this. Yeah, it smells so good. No.
Mm-hmm.
When you make this, every day is Sunday.
When you eat this plate, so okay, like first or second plate.
Yeah,
Because
complete.
you have a pasta and you have a meat.
Nonna
Very
calls
good.
this un piatto completo.
Piatto completo, they call it, yeah. It's so good.
Mettiamo il vino.
Yeah. You pour the wine now.
Okay. So we're adding our red wine. If you only have white, you can totally do white too. Red is a little richer, a little heavier, not heavy in a bad sense, and it's also going to color the meat a little bit, give it a little bit of a nice color.
It's good. Black and white wine. Anything.
Black wine. So we want to just let this alcohol evaporate. When you don't smell alcohol anymore, then you can proceed with your tomato. So I want to talk about the amount of tomato that we're adding to this. This is some tomato paste. We're not adding too much. This is all the tomato that's going to be in this. Now, you might think that this is not going to be red enough for you. You can totally add more if you like, but a traditional meat sauce or a traditional bolognese, this is not the most traditional bolognese, but you guys know where I'm going with this, does not have as much tomato as you would think. It actually is more brown than a red sauce. So this is just the way Nonna makes it. Again, if you want it to be a little bit redder, go right ahead. Knock yourself out.
Yeah.
Okay, so now all of our alcohol is evaporated. I'm going to go ahead and add in the tomato paste. You want to take from the spoon?
No.
Okay. Gonna lower this a little bit. So now that we have our tomato in there, I'm gonna go ahead and drop our pasta into the salted boiling water. Give that a quick stir. So I'm gonna give this about a minute, and then I'm gonna scoop some pasta water out and add it to our sauce. Now the reason we're going to use pasta water is because the pasta water is going to have starch in it. So it's going to help give our sauce a little bit more body. Oh, that looks so good already.
Nice color, right?
Beautiful color. Beautiful.
The meat a little cook.
That is going to be so rich and delicious. I can't wait to eat this.
Yeah. I love it.
You love it?
Yeah,
Me
I love
too.
this plate.
Okay, so I'm going to give this a quick stir again. And I'm going to go ahead and scoop some pasta water out. This is about 3/4 of a cup. Add this right to the pan.
Now I gotta cover this and they gotta cook a little bit. After, when the pasta ready, they gotta put inside.
Okay, so I'm gonna lower the
Okay.
flame to just very low simmer. And when the pasta is done, about 10 minutes, this is all ready to go. We're gonna toss together and then we gotta eat.
Yeah. Now the pasta almost cook. And I gotta take pasta, I gotta put over here.
Okay. Because we wanna finish the cooking in the pan with the sauce.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Pasta very al dente, nice. They gotta cook a little bit over here. And they come very good.
You never want to cook your pasta fully in the water and then just put the sauce on top. You always want to toss it in the sauce for 1 to 2 minutes.
Yeah. The pasta take the taste of the sauce.
Yes.
They come better.
You right, Nonna.
Yeah. Look good.
Looks
I
so good.
can't wait. I want to test that.
We got to put cheese.
Yeah, sure.
Parmigiano is my
I
favorite.
love cheese, yeah. Me too.
On a meat sauce like this, I love Parmigiano. You could do pecorino if you want, but with some sugo di carne, Parmigiano,
Yeah, very good.
e un bicchiere di vino. You gonna have a glass of wine with this?
Yeah, I like. Great. Anytime I eat, I love a glass wine.
Just one.
Just one, not too much, not good for everybody.
Look at how beautiful this looks. There's one more in there she's gonna find. She found it.
I take everything. Why? I gotta live in the Tilia.
So you see, when we scrape the bottom of the pan, there's no sauce pooling anywhere. That's a really good sign. That means it's a really good sauce. And then it's also the mark of a very good quality pasta product. Because you want your pasta to have a little bit of a rough texture and to absorb all the sauce. Okay, we shut the flame.
Where is this one?
No, quello di sotto. Yeah.
Questa sole?
Yeah.
Okay.
You ready to eat, Nonna?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I can't wait. I want to test. Very good.
Ooh. This looks so good.
So good.
This you make every Sunday.
Yeah. I love it. When I don't make this plate, no, they don't look Sunday for me.
So good. Un altro po' di carne on top. Oh, beautiful.
You gotta put a cheese now.
We got to put a nice cheese on top. You want a lot of cheese or a little bit?
Well, not too much.
Not too much?
Put 2 spoons. It's enough.
2 spoons. You got it.
Yeah.
So good. Okay, and now we got to taste. I can't wait to eat this. This is the ultimate Italian comfort food dish.
This dish alla Papino.
So good, guys. Oh my God.
Yeah.
So good. I'm going to eat this whole thing right now.
That's so good.
I can't stop. That's it.
Right?
Okay, last one. Last one I'm going to eat.
Very good. I love it.
Very good. Too good. So Nonna and I are going to go pour a nice glass of vino. We're going to finish our pasta, and we will see you guys next time. Nonna, thank you for showing everybody how to make this beautiful dish.
Thank you for you.
Mwah!
You learn the right way. That's why. Nonna, they teach you because When I am now no here no more, you gotta remember a lot of things for me.
Now
See?
she got to bring this up. Yeah, come on. You're going to be here forever. Nonna's going to last forever.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you are.
This is not true.
Bye-bye. Okay. Let's say bye-bye, everybody. We're here
Bye,
today.
everybody.
We're here now and we have pasta. So bye, everybody. See you next time.
Very nice. Bye-bye.